Hey, what's going on? Welcome to the channel. So in today's video, I want to talk about side jobs, and specifically the one that I'm doing today. So in between construction jobs, I've taken on some random stuff here and there, but I decided to do something a little different this year. I put an ad on Facebook, not an ad, but I just posted on Facebook that I knew everybody was going to be out doing spring cleaning, and a lot of people have dumpsters that they buy, and they're like $400, and they're usually bigger than you need. Thought it would be good to, I've got a landscape trailer, so, and I do this stuff. I own 10 big construction barrels. I might as well put them to use. They just sit there for most of the year. So I put this post on Facebook, and I got like three or four people reached out just within a couple days. So it's pretty cool. So I just picked up my first load. I'm going to show you what I got, and yeah. So here's the load today. There's a ton of carpet and a old school box spring, and then in the back of the truck there's some padding for the carpet and a bag of crap. So it's a Friday, and I just was able to use my equipment to go make a little extra cash, and worked out great for both of us. So just an idea for anybody who is like me, has a construction business, and just has some of this stuff just laying around that doesn't get used. So that's it. I just wanted to show you how I make a little extra side money and give you some ideas to think about for yourself. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.